In this video, you will learn how to create a talking avatar completely for free and without using any paid websites or limits. This project is very simple and easy, and the result is very acceptable. Don't forget that it is a free alternative to all paid websites that provide this service, and you can use this method on your computer or mobile phone with the same steps. The first thing we will need is a picture of the person who will talk. It is preferable that the person's image be of the upper half of the body, like this picture for example. The face must be clear and facing the camera in the photo, so the program can recognize the face parts. The image aspect ratio is what determines the final video. If the image is square, the final video will be square. For shorts and reels, you will use a vertically cropped image. The second thing we will need is the voiceover, the speech the person in the picture will say. You have many choices to create voiceover. You can record the audio yourself on your mobile phone or computer and use it, or you can use any website that converts text into a voiceover. After you have prepared the image and the voiceover file, then we are ready to start. Open your Google Chrome browser and make sure that you are logged in with Gmail. After that, open the Google Colab project link found in the video description. It will appear to you like this. Run step 1. This window will appear to you. Click Run anyway. The step will start working. This step will take approximately 2 minutes. After the step is finished, a small check mark will appear next to the step. Then step 2. In step 2, we will upload the image. Run step 2. A Choose Files button will appear. Click it and upload the image file. After uploading is done, a preview of the image will appear. Then step 3. Here we will upload the voiceover file. Run step 3. A Choose Files button will appear. Click it and upload the audio voiceover file. After the upload is complete, a small check mark will appear next to the step, and a preview of the audio file too. It is preferable that you use an audio file of no more than 10 minutes. If the audio file is too long, problems may occur. The audio file must be very clear, without any noise or music. It's just a human clear speech voice. Then step 4. In this step, we will make the final video. Run step 4. It will start working. This step takes time depending on the length of the audio file, but in any case, the video creation process is very fast. After the step is finished, a preview of the final video will appear, and this is the result.
In this video, you will learn how to create a talking avatar completely for free and without using any paid websites or limits.
To download the final video, click these 3 dots and choose Download, and save the video to your device. If you want to change the picture or the voiceover, run step 2 and step 3 directly, then run step 4. I mean, you don't need to do the first step again as long as you haven't disconnected from Google Colab. After you finish, you must disconnect from Google Colab. From the top menu, click Runtime. Then disconnect and delete Runtime. Then click Yes. If the video was useful to you, subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.